Ja asuntoskehtiö ja päätetorni.
Still completely original. And when was it built? 1970, turning 50 years old in the next year. It will be inspected again. H18523. How many floors? 11. Oh, it's 11 floors. Wow. That's an amazing find.
Yeah.
I think we should take pictures of this one as well.
Yeah.
Is you locked off? No, it's open. We have been so lucky today. We got the 1977 classic elevator with 13 floors.
Yeah.
Now this as well. It's fantastic. And it still seems to be working perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Even if it's gonna be 50 years old.
This might be tallest torsional Kone pop-out elevator in Finland. 11 floors.
Yeah, true. Just laughing, we are so lucky.
Yeah.
We have filmed the tallest classic elevator in film and now also the pop-out one. That is incredible. Yeah. Sometimes the days can be very nice.
Yeah.
You never know. But I also hope this will still last for a long time.
Yeah.
Possibly, yes, if they do a good inspection every 2 years.
Yeah.
No, probably no balcony here.
Yeah.
I also want to take pictures of this. We can go to YK after.
Yeah.
The second basement floor.
Inspected parking or inspected and maintained by Otis or nowadays Craftis.
If they ever modernize this, might be Otis.
Yeah.
Actually, do you think this is top drive driven or bottom driven?
I'm not sure.
No, me neither.
Alright.
Should I try to press all the buttons? You can open the door, I'll try to see if it works here. I like this. See what happens. Cool. Ha! Let's see if they all go up and get out. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 floors like that.
Yeah.
Can end the video right here, then take pictures. So we are done. Oh, let me just get a view of this. It doesn't say that on the door, like which year. So thank you very much for watching.
That's
it.